Hi everyone, it's your favorite flower girl again, Vaughn, on Wildflower Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about black-eyed Susans, also known as golden Jerusalems, Portland daisies, or English bullseyes. Black-eyed Susan was made the state flower of Maryland in 1918. Butterflies love black-eyed Susans, and the plant is thought to be an herbal medicine by Native Americans for various ailments. Black-eyed Susans are found all over the United States. They are native to eastern and central North America, found in China, and can also be found in Canada. Also, I love making flower arrangements, and black-eyed Susans keep very well in a floral arrangement. Thanks for watching, and as Luna would say, have a fantastical day.
Follow for more videos like this, and stay tuned for the upcoming children's TV show, Luna, the Magical Pup.